has come across the country, ladies and gentlemen. I will give here the government of Bihar perspective about the smart city in general, but particularly because I belong to the building construction side, so I will explain what kind of activities we are going to undertake in building construction activities that will be useful for making a smart city in our state. The smart city, what we understand about the amalgamation of all interlinkages activities that may be the sustainable growth, economic prosperity, optimum utilization of resources, natural resource management, traffic management of course, and several other factors that will take care of the smart city activities. Here we have to take care of the things in our Bihar, the infrastructure development, that is the utmost important for making a smart cities in our state, making good quality of in business environment, and third one is the most important, inclusive and sustainable cities that will take care of the entire activities. In our state, these are some of the line department which has to take care of the making of the inclusive and sustainable smart cities in our state: urban development, building constructions department, IT, forest and environment, Panchayati Raj, and energy and transport. These are the departments which are the directly linked with the smart city activities. Now I will go for the specific activities for the building vision that will link and that will take care of the greater part of the smart cities in our state. Some of the activities relating to building vision we have already started taking care, like Bihar Museum, International Convention Center, and Police Headquarters, Kishanganj Agriculture College. These all are the entirely based upon the building, green building concept, and several other factors that is the directly and inclusive attached with the smart city activities. In our state, building, we have made in the three different kind of activities. Actually, the Building Construction Department and Bihar State Building Construction Corporation, we have prepared the paper relating to Building Con Vision 2047. For that, we have made the short-term plan, longer-term plan, and the medium plan. Some of the activities which we have already started to take care of those kind of activities, and some that will take care for the longer duration. At present, we have several kind of problems like safe and healthy accommodations. We don't have that much facility. Construction technique is entirely dependent on the natural concrete and several other sand, the normal traditional kind of materials, use of several conventional resources that is the limited for our state, conventional design on the entirely in the architectural based conventional design based constructions we have. Construction activities, we have the large construction activities, but how we can utilize and how we can recycle those kind of construction activities, that we have to think on that issue. And parallelly, we have already started working how we can utilize the natural resources, non-conventional resources, because we have the limited conventional resources and materials, how we can utilize these kind of resources. A smart building, that will take care of these things: cost minimizations, optimum utilization of resources, sustainability and inclusive development for our state. In Bihar, especially in the building construction activities, the building at cost, which has more than 50 crore cost, we have already started the green building concept for all those kind of buildings. See the left side, these all are the attributes of green building, and in the middle is smart buildings. Only few activities for which we have to take care of these two: advanced security and communication systems and structural health monitoring system. In Bihar, we have police headquarters, which will take care of these activities also: the structural health monitoring system, global vibration health monitoring system. These are the self-sustainable 7 steps of self-sustainable buildings that we have taken for the new buildings, especially in the Bihar Museum, which cost is more than 500 crore. International Convention Center, its cost is more than 480 crores. Bihar Agriculture College, its cost is more than 600 crores, like that. All these kind of sustainable building, and even the small buildings like Polytechnic and ITI, we have taken into consideration. These all we have started for the long-term plan, short-term plan, and for the medium plan. Government, we have already started working how to work, how to optimum utilize the resources, and what are the different linkages between each and every department that will directly and indirectly link for the smart cities. In Bihar, especially the urban development department, they have already started working for making smart cities. Some of the cities, they are already ready, especially like the cities like Patna, Darbhanga, Muzaffarpur, Bhagalpur, Purnia, and Bodh Gaya. These 5-6 cities, we have already started working on that. So these are some of the activities like the architectural design, structural design, structural health monitoring system. These all are the attributes for which we have taken into consideration. In Bihar, because especially some of the cities which are situated near the river, like cities like Patna, Bhagalpur, and some of the other cities also. So there are a lot of different kind of problems. So we have started working on the shifting housing. The structure design should be based on those kind of techniques which will take care of the shifting housing technique. Some of the private party, they have already started working on that, and government is also thinking to work in that directions. Floating house colony, use of shifting house, as I have already explained it. Non-conventional research, maximum utilization of non-conventional construction materials like flies, ash, brick, and several other kind of materials that we are using. These are some of the recycled construction materials, although we have the limited resource available in these directions, but we have started working on that. Energy efficient planning and design, non-conventional resources, we are trying to use utmost in all sectors. I have already explained it about these kind of requirement. These are efficient water management and drainage system. We are lacking in these sectors, but as a long-term plan in building construction department, we will try to take care of these things, and this is the composite constructions activities in our state. Transportation system, the transport department has to take care of these things, and especially for some of the good high-rise buildings and some of the high-cost building, we have taken into consideration this part also. These are some of the future models which we have to work, and we are working on this. These are the structural health monitoring system, like some of the buildings like police headquarters and several other buildings. We are utilizing the global vibration management monitoring system, which will take care of the constructions activities, the durability. These are some of the conclusion. Finally, I will explain that the final objective of a smart city means the smart buildings, a smart road, ICT, optimum utilization of ICT, drainage system, sustainable and energy efficient buildings. These are some of our objectives. We are working it, and we will work on it. Thank you.